Page 64, Part 3. Put on some headphones, please. Alright, let's look at problem 15 here. We know that we have a whole number, so just put in the whole number and then convert the fraction part into a decimal. 1 over 18, let's look at it on this screen. 1 over 18. Yes, you can divide it. No, you can't change the denominator to 10 or 100 or 1000. And no, you can't reduce it to make it simpler. So we just need to divide, so let's do that. 1 divided by 18. Remember the steps? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide the top by the bottom. Yeah. Alright, 1 divided by 18. Put in a 0. 18 won't go into 1, so put a 0 there. 18 won't go into 10, so put a 0 there. 18 will go into 100. Remember, 18 is close to 20. 20 times 5 is 100, so let's try 5 here. And now do 18 times 5. Also, try it like this. 18 is the same as 10 plus 8 times 5. So now you get 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 8 is 40. 50 plus 40 is 90. So 90 goes here. Now subtract and we get 10. Bring down a 0. It looks like 5 again. Looks like it's going to repeat. So what do we need to do here? Just put in a repeating sign. 90 here, 90 here. So we do not need this 5 right here. We just need this 5 right here, and we need it to be repeating. 1 over 18 on a calculator, what does that look like? 1 divided by 18 equals, just the 5 is repeating. So put that back over here. 0, 5, repeating. Maggie bought 3 2/3 apples to make some apple pies. What is the weight of the apples written as a decimal? So you have a whole number, so just put that in. And now we need to figure out 2/3. 2/3. Yes, you can divide it. Can you change the denominator to 10 or 100? No. Can you simplify it to save some work? No. 2/3, just divide it. Divide the top by the bottom. Yeah. 2/3. Bring up your decimal. Will 3 go into 2? No. How many times does 3 go into 20? 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, you get 2. What do you see? Let's go that color. Right away you can tell it's going to repeat. Put it like that. 3.6 repeating. 2/3 on the calculator, what does it look like? 2 divided by 3 equals, just the 6 is repeating. Why is there a 7? The calculator ran out of room, so it just rounded it up. Harry's dog weighs 12 7/8 pounds. 12 and, okay, let's convert 7 over 8. Can it be converted by dividing? Yes. Can it be simplified by changing the denominator to 10, 100, or 1000? No. reduce the fraction to save some work? No. So just divide it. 7 over 8. Divide the top by the bottom. Yeah. 7 divided by 8. Bring a 0 in. Bring your decimal up. What are the steps? Divide. Multiply. Subtract. Bring down. How many 8s in 70? Or 8 times what is close to 70? 8 times 8 is 64. I don't think we can put another 8 in there, so put an 8 here. And then multiply. 8 times 8 is 64. Now subtract, and you get 6. Bring down a 0. How many 8s in 60? Well, 8 times 7 is 56, and that's close, so 7 goes here. Now multiply. 7 times 8 is 56. And subtract. You get 4. Bring down a 0. How many 8s in 40? There's 5. Multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, get a 0, and we're done. 0.875. Tom is trying to write 3 over 47 as a decimal. Use long division and divided until he got the quotient, that ugly thing, at which point he stopped. Since the decimal doesn't seem to terminate or repeat, he concluded that 3 is not rational. Do you agree or disagree? We disagree. Thank you.